Welcome to this one-of-a-kind subliminal session. You're about to unlock the hidden energy of luck that's already inside you. Do not skip any part of this video. Each moment has powerful affirmations embedded in the background music, carefully placed to shift your life toward pure luck and success. For best results, listen multiple times, especially while sleeping. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Inhale, exhale. As you breathe in, imagine a golden light entering your body, filling every cell with confidence and luck. As you exhale, release any doubt or fear. You are entering a state of complete openness to receive good fortune. Feel it surrounding you. Feel your body activating this new energy. I am the universe's chosen lucky girl. Luck finds me no matter where I am. My life is a constant flow of good fortune. I radiate luck, attracting everything I desire. Every situation I face works out in my favor. I am effortlessly lucky in everything I do. The world bends in my favor. I am naturally lucky. Success and joy follow me everywhere. Every day brings me unexpected gifts and opportunities. The more I relax, the luckier I become. Luck is my superpower. Now imagine yourself walking down the street. Each step you take, opportunities appear in front of you. A stranger smiles and offers you an amazing deal. You find money on the ground. Every person you meet brings you good news. You can feel it. You're the luckiest girl alive. You attract luck effortlessly without even trying. It feels natural. It feels asterisk right. I was born to be lucky, and luck will always find me. Everything good flows easily into my life. I am lucky beyond measure, and it grows each day. Thank you for listening. To fully activate the lucky girl energy, listen to this video daily and while sleeping. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your results with us. Let the power of luck work for you. If you want to support this journey, consider super thanking or joining as a channel member. Your luck has already begun.